How do transfer on death (TOD) deeds affect property taxes? Have you ever wondered how transfer on death deeds impact property taxes? This legal tool can be a game changer in estate planning, especially when it comes to preserving assets. Let's break it down. A transfer on death deed allows a property owner to name beneficiaries who will automatically receive the property upon the owner's death. This transfer happens without going through probate, which can save time and money. While the owner is alive, they are still responsible for property taxes. The beneficiary has no rights to the property until the owner passes away. This means the owner can sell or mortgage the property as they see fit, and they can revoke or change the deed anytime. Now, what happens when the owner dies? The property transfers directly to the named beneficiary. For property tax purposes, this transfer is generally treated like a transfer through probate. In most states, it does not automatically trigger a reassessment for property taxes. However, local laws can vary, so it's essential to check the specific rules in your area. Some jurisdictions might reassess the property upon transfer, which could lead to higher taxes. One of the benefits of a transfer on death deed is the stepped-up basis. This means when the beneficiary inherits the property, its tax basis is adjusted to the fair market value at the date of the owner's death. If the beneficiary sells the property shortly after inheriting it, they typically owe capital gains tax only on the increase in value that occurs after the owner's death. This can lead to significant tax savings compared to other methods of property transfer. It's also important to consider estate and inheritance taxes. While most estates do not owe federal estate tax, state laws can differ. A transfer on death deed does not avoid these taxes if they apply. The property's value is still included in the owner's estate for tax purposes, just as it would be if it went through probate. In some states, using a transfer on death deed can help avoid probate fees or taxes, but this is separate from ongoing property taxes. For older adults and their families, transfer on death deeds can simplify the transfer of real estate. They help avoid the delays and costs associated with probate, keeping the process private and straightforward. However, they do not provide the same level of control or protection as a trust. If the beneficiary has creditor issues or is receiving government benefits, a trust might be a better option. In summary, while transfer on death deeds can be a useful tool in estate planning, it is essential to consult with an elder law or estate planning attorney. They can help ensure that all tax consequences, including property tax reassessment risks, are fully understood. This way, you can align your estate planning approach with your goals for asset preservation and family protection.